What's going on, guys? Y'all boy DC in the building. Again, we here this week, having a blessed week, having a great week. It's Monday, May 11th. Yes, sir. We have no news today, so there's nothing to worry about. Price has been moving crazy. It's been moving crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Right here, it just took this breakout and didn't look back. And it's haven't had a breakout below the 13 EMA all the way till now. The candle opened like 2 minutes ago. Yeah, 2 minutes ago. But all throughout this, it was there was no looking back. Right now it's breaking this level of support where it could have give us our entry, but right now it's literally it just might be retracing. It just might be retracing. But overall, overall it's still holding up the uptrend, even though it did break this level of support all throughout here. All this, it broke all of this right on this candle. The 4 hour is still um on the uptrend as well. We just need to break these highs. But since we trade the 5 minute, it still correlates because it's holding the 1 hour resistance. Um, it created a lower low from these highs. From the attempt of breaking these highs, it made a lower low. It failed to break the high. So if we could create here, if price can create a higher low, we could possibly test these highs again. So, but right now, short term downtrend, overall uptrend. We had this strong move breaking these levels of resistance right here, right? So it would have been clear if I did this. It's clear as day. We broke through. We started breaking levels of resistance on over here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Break of these resistance, higher low, higher high. And then right here it should started consolidating. Meaning high equal low with this low, high equal low, lower high. This is a lower low, but hey, equal high right here. So we'll see if price wants to keep going to the upside or to the downside. Right now it's not looking so good for this level of support that's right here. So it might just be reversing to cover some gaps that it left behind. But we'll see what price wants to do. We don't know what price wants to do. We're just gonna see how price reacts. Simple as that. On crude oil, same thing, but to the downside. Strong but break of support. Lower low, lower high, higher low. I guess higher high, higher low, higher high, and then now lower high. Looking like it's making a lower low right here. For the smaller time frame, it looks as clear as day what I just said. There's a gap right here. There's a big gap right here. Okay, so it took London low. It took London low and is reversing. Interesting. Interesting, interesting. I thought we was gonna get an entry on this setup, but it's looking slow for that right now. Let me show you guys the account. This is the account that we're currently trading on. We are up $50,357. All we need is $2,643 right now to get to that funded account, and then we gotta get this payout. You feel me? Only one trade has been taken, and that was on Wednesday last week. Ever since then, I haven't traded. To Thursday, I didn't really see something that was super valuable for me to take. Um, there was a good setup, but it wasn't my setup, so I didn't take it. And we don't trade Friday, so we're here Monday. We're here Monday. Thank God we're here. You feel me? Another day. Another day. That's the vibe. That is the vibe, man. That is the vibe. Price might have a breakout to the upside to attempt of breaking these highs, but it ain't for me. It don't have if it don't have confluence, I'm not taking it. Simple as that. And this don't have any confluence. It broke this level support. There's no demand zone nowhere around here, so not taking it. 1 minute 13 EMA crossed to the downside as it broke these higher lows. It broke here and it broke here. You feel me? A counter trend trade from the highs of gold, it wouldn't be a bad idea. But I don't want to keep taking counter trends. I don't want to keep taking counter trends. Yeah, I don't want to keep taking counter trends. Why is Roblox falling that bad? I don't make no sense. Damn, Spy is breaking. Damn. Spy is going crazy. It's grown 50% ever since 2025 April. God. Wait, they had a stock split? They definitely had a stock split. They must have a stock split, bro. Why doesn't it say it? Maybe on the daily chart? Why I don't mention it? Let's see. Why doesn't it say? Oh, NVDA is fine. I just wanna see how. This is up about like 30%. Nope. It was up 30% last week. After this retracement, not 30%, no more. That 50 playing defense like crazy. What is gold doing? Damn, 400? That thing doubled. That thing doubled and damn, that's crazy. At the beginning of the live stream, when I first started live streaming this, if y'all would have seen it, y'all would have seen it down here. Like before it took off. I was literally looking at it. But I didn't think it was gonna take off like this. Damn. That's wild. Counter train here wouldn't be bad. There's no confluence though. There's no confluence. There's literally nothing here to give us an entry. What? That is at the... It rejected the 1 hour resistance. That's it. Nah, that ain't worth it. That ain't worth it. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how If life is a movie, then you're the best stunt. mm You're the best part. Whoa, best part is the sunshine and those brown eyes. Yeah, you make me feel so. When you wake up, when we wake up, and we make, yeah. I don't know why that song stuck in my head. I haven't even heard that song in so long. Crazy, right? Yeah, this candle close looking good though. Sheesh. 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 And she's wanna see how. There it is. There it is. This is the counter trend right here. This is the counter trend right here. There it is. There it is. I wouldn't take this though. If Price reclaims the 13, that might test these highs. If it reclaims the 13. Why am I yawning so much? That makes sense. It don't make sense. Lean back. Lean back. God damn. That's one thing about crew. That thing be moving so crazy. Oop, there it is. Oop, there it is. Damn, counter trenches be smacking. That's crazy. That is crazy. Counter trend's been smacking. Like, look at this counter trend. Ain't have no confluence whatsoever. Neither of these had confluence because this one didn't even tap the supply zone. It's just it didn't even fill in the gap. There's a gap from here to here. But literally smacking. There's no confluence. It's like here, there's no confluence. There's an equal high on the 5 minute right here. From here to here. And then it faked out to the downside. And there was a supply zone right here too. Hmm. I don't think we're gonna get a setup. Why didn't I want to take the counter trend again? Taking too many counter trends, but counter trend is what's been winning though. Counter trends is what's been winning. Why didn't I want to take this again? Can somebody remind me why I want to take it? Because it didn't have no confluence. That's why. It didn't have any current confluence. Because it did tap. It did hit this 1 hour resistance. Yeah, that's it. It just hit the 1 hour resistance. But that's not like a confirmation. That's not like a confirmation for me to take an entry. I need a resistance on a 5 and a resistance or support or resistance on a 5 or supply and demand on a 5. That'll make things. That would make this valid. qué es eso? If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Whoa, you're the best part. Whoa, best part. Now, now service. If life is a movie, might have to play that song. What is gold doing? Mm-mm. Gold is holding this level of support right here. Um, I don't want to take it because it's a this 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 double bottom right here. I'm not really feeling it. I'm not really feeling it. We are testing these highs as well, right here. We're testing this whole entire zone right here from this lower high, lower low, lower high. Yeah, but it's with the trend. Since it's with the trend, it has a higher possibility of winning. Don't get me wrong. That has a higher possibility of winning. There it is. If this is the trade, I ain't taking it though. I'm straight. EMA's about to cross. It look good. It look good. Don't get me wrong. It look good. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Eight. Come on, man. Come on, man. I just wanna see how is the sunshine. I'm gonna have to play that song, bro. Like for real. I'm gonna have to play that song. If life is a movie, I want to short Bitcoin, bro. That's what I want to do too. I want to short Bitcoin. I just need Bitcoin to give me a sign. Give me a sign. I need something. To believe your time is up. To believe your time is up. There's nothing here. I'm just drawing. I'm just drawing. There's nothing here. Nothing. There is nothing here. I'm just drawing. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe on the lower time frame, there's something that we could look at. See, break of support, testing the highest failed. Now we could maybe be looking to the downside. What is that? SCEG crossing. What are we crossing? Why did we put that there? The break of support. That's why. Damn, that thing look good. SCEG. 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 Do I have it on my watch list? Do I have it on my watch list? Let me see what options there is for this. This looks great to the downside. Failed to break highs. Great to the downside. Great to the downside. Maybe not these lows. Not too far. Bitcoin. I'm gonna plan something out for you, my boy. Real talk. What is gold on? This candle hasn't closed? God damn. There it is. You took this. You still in. If this candle breaks this candle right here, it's looking up. It's looking up. But I don't like that setup. I don't like that setup at all. CEG trade options put for how many weeks? Swing trade, swing trade, swing trade. So it tested higher low, lower high. Damn, I think it could consolidate for a minute though. Should I take this counter trend though? For this to be shorted, it has to be like 3 months. Like, look how many times this is. That's, um, let's see. So here broke level support. Here broke level support. So that means it still hasn't hit. You're the one that I desire. That thing. Let me see. Boom. Lower high test. Boom. So it did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a month and 2 weeks. And then after this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 months. No, we didn't even hit a 101. Did it hit a 101? Oh, it did. Okay. Okay. 2 months. 2 months. 2 months for right now. That's all we see. That's all we see. Damn, look at that. this will be a lot better right here though than the buys. But the stop loss is so small. 26 points, that's wild. I still need to hit this stop loss right here. Boom. Let's just hit that. Let's just hit those buy stop loss. And it's heading for that counter trend TP. Can the counter trend hit 2 take profits? Wait. Well, it hit this one, not this one. This one was a fail. This one hit. These two buys failed with the trend. Oh, that's about to hit. 100%. That's about to hit. Boom. Nothing's about to hit. Damn. 2 counter trend. Out of 3 counter trend trades, setups, 1 loss, 2 wins. Counter trend is hitting like that? That's crazy. I cannot believe what I'm seeing. Damn. Counter trend is hitting like that? Counter trend is hitting like that. Damn. $26 points? Not crazy. I think 2 months is pretty valid. Two months is pretty valid for this. So, wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hold on, because that's 5 months right there. Take this off the screen. Damn, that kind of trend hit though. That's crazy. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's almost 3 months. All right, so this one was a winner, and it had confluence. I just didn't like. I don't want to be taking too many kind of trendsetters, but I see that this kind of trend setup did win. This one did win. This one lost. I knew this one was gonna be a loser. Well, I didn't know. I just had a prediction that this one was gonna be a loser because um it ain't have no confluence. There was nothing to tell me like it was gonna keep going down. Um, the other one that won, it didn't hit any confluence. This one that won, it had a confluence, and it had, but the only thing it had a small stop loss, a really small top stop loss. 26 points is very very small, but it did hit a one or two, exact one or two. But it's gonna hit for more since um the candle is very strong. Well, it can hit for more since the candle is very strong to the downside. Um, yeah, that's very interesting. Interesting. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Um, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. May, June. $200. God. Let's do 240. I'm about to get off of here because there's nothing for me to see on gold. I'm not about to sit through consolidation for it to break, then to give me an entry. Nah, I'm cool. I seen what I needed to see today. Um, I'm cool with not taking a trade today. It's fine. I'm not gonna stress over it. I'm not going to be tripping about it either. So I'm gonna catch up tomorrow, man. It's been a great learning day for me. I don't like to take too many counter trends, but this counter trend was actually these two counter trends that we witnessed was actually you feel me, a learning for me because I seen one that didn't have any confluence that lost. There's one that didn't have any confluence that won, and then the one that had confluence, which it was this one, it went for a one or two. It had a 5 minute resistance level that it created right in front of us, and then it gave us the breakout for an entry, and it won for a one or two. Another counter trend setup that won this week. Last week we did win on a counter trend setup, so counter trends are hidden like that. That's it. That's all we need to know. But I'm gonna catch that tomorrow. Is y'all boy DC? Many blessings, abundance, and have a blessed rest of y'all day, bro. I really um just be grateful for life, bro. I'm just happy so I'm alive. We here. We trading. We gonna move forward. That's it. We still need. How much is it? 2,600 to get to the goal. Right now we have a winner. This is the counter trend setup that I said. And yeah, bro, let's run it up. That's it. Catch that tomorrow, same time, 9 to 12. Catch me here. Tomorrow we do have news, so, and I don't know, this tentative stuff is wild. Oh, Jerome Powell did step down. Fed chair. So imagine seeing somebody else's name but Jerome Powell. My boy. It was a great run. This last month and the previous month, price action was trash. Let's just hope we have a great price action this month. But it's your boy DC. I'm out of here. Please. What was I gonna say? Peace. So much love, blessings, and abundance to all of y'all. I'm out of here. Yes, sir.